Ain't no tree too big. Boom. And we're plowing. Boom, boom, boom. Plowing, plowing, plowing. Oh, plowing. Plowing.
Hey guys, welcome to the second episode in the lockdown series with Mr Plow. This episode we're going to venture around the farm with little sister Hilux with Jay and Gary. We're going to find some freshwater crays in a little stream down here at the bottom of the farm, and we're going to check out Gary's shed. Awesome guys, let's get into it. And a Sunday drive. Found the bog! Yeah, dried up bog, but still a bog. Alright, let's go and test out this winch. What are we going to winch off? Unfortunately, nothing solid to winch off here. The gorse was the best option we had. Didn't hold, so might as well pull it out anyway. Hilux to the rescue! Of course, stuck Mr Plow, bogged out, nothing decent to winch off, so it's better to make a safe call. Just pop me back slightly. I was thinking about trying to winch over here, but it's a bit too much of a sharp angle. Still early in quarantine, don't want anyone to blow the rope or the PDA. So the SAF's bogged. Now you always need to try and go and find a decent recovery point, and there's always one guy that wants to get in the bog. Two men is deep in it. Just checking it out. How deep's the mud in there, two men? The mighty Hilux. And they're ready. Oh, carving new tracks is always good. Fresh terrain. Oh, even that's nice. Mr Plow seeing her own. Unfortunately, we've lost a little bit of grill here. Yep, cable ties will come out to rescue. A little bit of gorse in there. I think we need to adapt our gorse barrier. Got Zoe in the driver's seat now. Woo! What a driver! Come out of a Hilux into a safari.
That was my fucking grill.
That was a good grill, eh? Was a good grill. Yeah, battle scars, battle scars. Ah, the little Hilux just walks through. Oh yeah!
So to your left here, Rich.
Oh yes. Ooh. Well, that's not bad.
That's what they drove into there.
Oh, you did say that. Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, Gaza. Showing us how to get the freshwater crays.
Oh, now the room is cooking.
You can see the rain coming in. With plenty of chores to do around the farm, I couldn't shy away of earning my keep, and Mr Plow is there for a reason, to plough the gorse down. Here's some bigger trees that were trying to get in our way, but you can't mess with the safari, and especially the plough. Some of those bigger ones trying to take on the front of the grill there. Now when you do an area, you need to do it properly, so I've got to finish this whole gorse bush off. And bang, back over that one too. You can hear the snapping and cracking, you know you're doing a good job. Death to the gorse. Mr Plow is making friends with the locals here, as they must see him as a brethren, being black and big. Cow buddies. One of them getting really close and personal with Mr Plow. Hey guys! Hey guys, hope lockdown's treating you well and everybody's staying safe. Well, we've been for a bit of a hack with Mr Plow now, taking out some gorse, keeping the farm errands looked after, I guess. Unfortunately, she's taken a bit of a hit, eh? The gorse plants are attacking the grill, and zip ties just aren't doing the job. So then we're going to have to do something improvising and get something a bit better on the front there. Well, maybe not so much change the grill, just modify it. The old Heineken box was good, and we drank all the beers from it, so that was really good. But the job of keeping the gorse out, it was doing it, but it was getting the motor hot. So we've got something else we're going to try. I've got something that Jay's given me to try and help keep the gorse out and carry on doing my routine jobs. So as you can see, the grill, I think the bonnet's actually slightly hitting it over here. When it goes up, it's been bent in the past, so it's catching it and just pushing it down. So what I'm thinking of doing is just to stop it cracking, because you can see it's just broken off from hitting the trees here. I'm going to cut it straight down the edge, and because I'm going to put LED lights later on, but right now I don't think we need that plastic there. And even later on, the LED lights will just sit into the steel. Just give it a bit more tidy. Then, to keep this gorse out, because you can see it's slowly getting there, it's me cleaning it out a wee bit. Definitely gives you pricks in the hands though, so you need gloves for that. Managed to get this bit of a mesh cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify it and get it to sit behind the grill so it survives a bit better from the big trees, but then still keep out the little parts. Maybe a little bit better than the Heineken box and still provide airflow. Yeah. Well, got some tools, some parts and some mesh. Let's get this grill sorted. Well, with a bit of modification, the mesh is behind the grill, and I cut the edge of the grill off so I don't get caught. Just put the mesh in there so it's right down to the bottom of the PDA, and used a few strings to help hold it in there, just to hold it back, and it's got a few steel tie wires. That should keep the gorse out mint. By the time the bonnet sits down there, close everything off. Yeah, buddy. Nice and easy removable, and more time for ploughing. And the new grill and mesh is a success. Perfectly blocking it off the radiator. We just went and ploughed the shit out of some stuff. Slowly taking it down, even cleared our area around here. We'll take that forest tomorrow. And that forest, and a whole lot. 4 weeks of quarantine, seen a lot of ploughing. Mr Plow. Ah, what a mint way to spend lockdown. Happy dogs, happy life. Now, a little bit of run through with Jay's Hilux. Some of you guys, obviously, from that last post know the old beast. 2.4 turbo. Nice, reliable motor. Good amount of power for this sort of weight wagon. Coil spring setup on the Hilux. It's definitely nice. Timmy, what do you think about this one? It's not bad. Coils on the back. Tyres are going flat a bit though, so might have a leaky bead there. But what's most intriguing is this, Gaza's shed. He's got something different on the farm hoist today, as you can see. Massive jacks. Get the little 323 Mazda off the ground nicely. This thing's a cool little beast. Oh, sick rotary. And then, oh, that guy. Custom exhaust from Gaza himself. Oh, look at those welds. Not bad, mate, not bad. Just proves you can do anything in a shed, you got the skills. Yeah, this is a tidy little wagon. We've got a bit of time on our hands. We're only in, what, week 1? Not quite. So we might have to be doing custom modifications there, Gaza.
Yeah, man.
I think next episode...
Go fast bits.
Oh yeah, definitely. I think next episode we need to go over Gaza's wagon a bit. Not sure if you guys have seen his Safari before. Some of you that know him will know it. Very sick, tidy, road legal, fully caged, shore-based Safari. Well guys, hope you guys are all staying safe and enjoying the time. We're gonna go and hit it.